Hello, assalamu alaikum. We are exploring the dictionaries in Python. Today, we are going to discuss about an important feature of dictionaries and how we can loop over it to achieve something that is very pervasive in all of the apps we see today. And that is displaying the data in a series like this. For example, you are making a food app and you want to display the name of the app and along with it its price. How would you do that? Dictionaries are the place you should go for that. Let us take this example for understanding how we can make this using keys and values by looping over keys and values in dictionary. First of all, make a menu variable and initiate it with dictionary. First, make a key value called large pizza and give it as its price $30. Okay. Then we have medium pizza and its price is $20. And then we have small pizza and its price is $10. Okay, here we have our dictionary being initiated, dictionary called menu. Now we want to display this in a row. I want to say like the large pizza price is $30. But I don't want to repeat it for all of them. I want to do that programmatically. What if I would have thousands of recipes, thousands of dishes? Would I be writing the name and price for each of them? That is against the principles of programming. What would you do? You would replace this pizza with something called key, because here we have saved the type of pizza as keys, and here you will replace the price of pizza as value. Okay, now you will for loop on this menu dictionary. How will you do that? You will get the key by initiating a key variable, and then you will access the value by initiating the value variable. And where you will find these key and value pairs? Yes, in menu.items, because menu.items returns us the list of all the key value pairs present inside it in a tuples form. So when it will return an item, it will be a tuple, and the first item in the tuple will be saved in this key, and the second one will be saved in this value. So in a well-defined order, we will be getting one by one the key and the value, the key and the value, and the key and the value from looping this menu.items. Okay, now I would indent it so it would become a variable inside this for loop. Okay, I wasn't getting the variable because I hadn't closed the strings. I had just opened it. So till I close it with another apostrophe, Python will not understand that whether the string has been closed. Once it is closed, then it will try to identify which ones are the dead strings and which ones are live dynamic variables. Now let us print them. Oh, remove this. Here we have the large pizza price is 30, the medium pizza price is 20, and the small price is 10. Thank you very much for being with me in learning today how we can loop through the key and values in a dictionary by implementing a for loop on values.item and grabbing those items by key and values and eventually using them as we wish in our processes. Thank you very much.